I am moving, and since I have arrived in the United Kingdom, I have been moving a lot. This is my seventh one. Can you imagine? I have some experience, but it never gets easier. Moving has been ranked one of the top five most stressful and traumatic life events. Can you imagine? First days in the flat, I didn't know where anything was, and I didn't even know how to use the stove. I was really lost. I went to the supermarket, I got some minced meat, and I wanted to do some burgers. And I did. It was just mixing the ingredients and put everything in the oven, and voila! Little burger with mashed potatoes. Easy, and you can have them cold or warm it up on the next day. And this is what I did. I would have them as a snack. In the meantime, whilst I was organizing things, oh, and it was so delicious. Next day, I had a new idea. And I was dying to have this recipe here as well. Use the mashed potatoes and add the egg. Oh my goodness, it's one of my favorite things. But since I had the burger, I added too. Look at that. I love these little mashed potato nests. Such a great and fast recipe to help you when time is not helping and you just mix the ingredients, allow the oven to take care of everything. In the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like and to comment. I would love to know if you like this recipe and how many times have you moved in the last 5 years. Please let me know and tell me how it was for you. Served with love and bon appetit!